Hello, and welcome to a new video. Ground green coffee combined with ginger forms an unbeatable duo in the fight against extra pounds, the drink being also extremely beneficial for the whole body. These two natural products help intensify metabolism, giving energy to the body, and detoxifying it. Green coffee is a raw, unroasted, and unprocessed product, not thermally processed. It tastes like coffee, but the aroma is much more intense, the drink being more like a tea. Green coffee is superior to roasted coffee in terms of curative effects, as raw green coffee beans are rich in chlorogenic acid. This substance inhibits the absorption of sugar by the body. The main compounds in green coffee are dicaffeoquinic acid and caffeoquinic acid, both easily absorbed by the body. According to research, chlorogenic acid inhibits the secretion of the enzyme G6P, significantly establishing the level of blood sugar. Called the enemy of obesity by specialists, chlorogenic acid has come to be considered the most powerful natural medicine against obesity due to the following properties. Maintains constant blood sugar. Prevents the transformation of serum glucose into fatty tissue. Inhibits fatty tissue inflammation, thus preventing cellulite. All these properties recommended both in weight loss and in diabetes or heart disease. Chlorogenic acid in green coffee also has the role of preventing premature aging and inhibiting various types of cancer. Green coffee with ginger can be found ready-made in health food stores or online, but we can also prepare at home. For this recipe, we need just these ingredients. 3 teaspoons of freshly ground green coffee, a cup of water, half a teaspoon of ginger powder. Green coffee with ginger can be prepared in 2 ways, both with the same intense therapeutic effects. Decoction: add coffee and ginger in water and put on the fire. After the liquid boils, remove from the heat, wait a few seconds, then put it back on the fire and wait for it to boil again. Turn off the heat and leave the container covered for about 2 minutes. Infusion: coffee and ginger are put in a cup, and boiled water is poured over them. Cover the container for 3 minutes, after which the coffee can be enjoyed. Because not everybody likes the taste of green coffee with ginger, it can be improved with a little brown sugar or honey, cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves, 3 to 4 mint leaves, a few seeds of anise, or a little lemon juice. For visible results, 2 cups of green coffee a day are recommended before the main meals, preferably in the first part of the day, for a minimum of 4 weeks. Ginger, an excellent blood accelerator, regulates intestinal transit, fights constipation, it's a good detoxifier, and controls the feeling of hunger. Green coffee contains a higher amount of antioxidants than the roasted one, fighting free radicals and preventing cancer. It regulates metabolism, helping to eliminate extra pounds and acting as a tonic for brain activity. Polyphenols, the primary antioxidants in green coffee, reduce oxidative stress by 12% to 16%, preventing the process of cell destruction, delaying aging. High percentages of chlorogenic acid neutralize free radicals that attack the cellular system structure, while caffeic acid acts as a general tonic. All this turns green coffee into an effective detoxification treatment. In conclusion, green coffee with ginger helps eliminate extra pounds, detoxifies the body, and provides energy throughout the day. It has antidepressant and anti-allergic properties, helps improve memory and ability to concentrate, gives the skin a toned and healthy appearance, thins the blood, fights cellulite, regulates blood sugar levels, and reduces the feeling of appetite. A diet with green coffee and ginger must be followed by a healthy lifestyle and a balanced diet. Contraindications: green coffee is contraindicated for pregnant or breastfeeding women, in case of bleeding, for those suffering from hypertension or anxiety. To get more videos like this, hit the like and subscribe button, and leave a comment below to let me know what you'd like to see next.